Welcome back to TechUnboxPro. Today we are checking out one of the most talked about budget smartphones of 2026, the brand new Oppo A6 Pro 5G. If you are looking for a powerful 5G phone with a modern design, strong performance, and a reliable camera under budget, then this phone might be a perfect option for you. First of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G comes with a very premium-looking design. The back panel has a glossy finish with a clean camera module, and the phone feels slim and comfortable in hand. Even though it is a budget phone, Oppo has done a great job in making it look stylish and modern. Now moving to the display, which is one of the highlights of this phone. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G features a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling feels very smooth, animations are clean, and overall user experience is much better compared to normal 60Hz phones. Watching YouTube, Netflix, or playing games on this display feels really enjoyable. Talking about performance, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is powered by a capable 5G processor paired with enough RAM and fast storage. For daily usage like social media, multitasking, video editing, and browsing, the phone performs smoothly. Even in gaming, popular games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and Free Fire run very well on medium to high settings without major lag. Now let's discuss the camera setup. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G comes with a dual rear camera system, where the main sensor captures sharp and detailed photos in good lighting conditions. Colors look natural, and dynamic range is also decent for a budget phone. The front camera is also good for selfies, video calls, and social media content like Instagram and TikTok. Battery life is another strong point. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G packs a large battery that can easily last a full day on normal usage. You also get fast charging support, which means you don't have to wait too long to charge your phone. In terms of software, the phone runs on the latest Color OS based on Android, which offers a clean interface, useful features, and good optimization. You also get 5G connectivity, which makes this phone future-proof for fast internet speeds. So overall, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is a solid all-rounder smartphone. It offers a premium design, smooth 120Hz display, good performance, reliable cameras, strong battery life, and 5G support, all in a budget-friendly price segment. If you are planning to buy a new budget 5G smartphone in 2026, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. This was TechUnboxPro. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more daily mobile reviews and tech updates.